Kia ora no. We looked at in our last little snippet, we looked at rātou and the word tuakana. Remember, tuakana means older siblings of the same sex as the person speaking. Okay? So, what we're going to do now is use this word, teina, or some people say teina. Depends on your dialectual preference. I use teina. So when I'm using teina, it's virtually the opposite of tuakana. My younger siblings of the same sex. For me, it would be my younger brothers. And I would say this. I would use rātou, because I'm talking about more than one. More than two. I'm talking about 3, 4 or 10. Okay, so we would use ko himi, rātou, ko kingi, ko wiki, aku, teina. So, teina comes in last. Okay? So that's rātou. Mind you, remember what we said before, using rātou. Rātou can come all the way down to here. Rātou, to here, in front of the last person's name of ko wiki. So, ko hemi, ko kingi, rātou ko wiki, aku, teina. Ka pai? Hope you get that one too.